You can boost your additive manufacturing production volume, ensure consistent part performance, and lower costs with hot isostatic pressing, or HIP. HIP is a proven technology for densifying materials in AM, enhancing reliability and component properties, and qualifying AM parts for mission-critical applications. But how can HIP help increase AM production volumes? Research shows that 3D deposition rates can be significantly increased by printing at higher speeds than what is typically possible when aiming for full density and minimal bulk defects. However, this approach leads to pores, voids, lack of fusion, and microcracks in the printed parts, typical AM defects that HIP eliminates. By incorporating HIP, you can increase production volumes whilst increasing product quality, leading to higher revenue, fewer failures, and a lower cost per part. This makes the HIP investment effectively cost-neutral, HIP for free. Discover how we can help you revolutionize your high-volume AM production today.